Hey guys, here we are, day 2 in our condo. I've been driving for about 20 hours. It's all sort of surreal right now. This doesn't even feel real to know that I got in my car and I drove as far as I did and suddenly I'm here. But in today's video, I'm going to be exploring some of Florida. It's going to be a little bit gloomy today, so I don't think it's appropriate for beaches or pools or whatnot. So I think I'm going to hit the theme parks. Without further ado, let's go out and see our girl, the 335i. So let's hit it, guys. Baby girl's still there. She's doing good. Moment of truth. Will she start? Oh my god, I love that, guys. The new battery we put in is so good. It's never cranked as fast as it has until this day with the new battery. Also, coating the new battery really helps prolong the life of the battery. Unfortunately, the way BMW has designed these cars, you need to register the battery. Otherwise, the alternator will still think it's an old, worn out battery and it's gonna overcharge the new battery. I feel like today's a window and a sunroof popped kind of day. Let's hit it. Oh my god, that was a terrible shift. We're just about to hit the I-4 East. Hey, we made it. All right, guys, I'm really close to Universal. I'm already planning out the rest of my day. I think in the evening, we're gonna hit the gym in the condo. I'm a strong believer in fitness. It brings up your self-confidence, brings up your mood. When you get physical activity in, it makes larger tasks feel easier to take. That physical pain, that physical challenge, also mental challenge to push yourself. Look what I stumbled upon. A hard top S2K. A little bit corny wheels, but I mean, it's not too bad. Got a wide body kit. Some louvers on the inside. Sweet exhaust. Sick. I'll never look at these Eclipses the same way. It's always going to be too fast, too furious. Yo, you know when you see those Facebook pages only in Florida? Check out this slammed Toyota Camry. Yo. Okay guys, we made it. Just got through security. This place is incredible. Check this out. So theatrical. Now I got two options here. I can go to Universal Studios, or I can go over there, which is Islands of Adventure. Two completely different theme parks. They have a lot to offer. Very hard to decide. We'll make our way over to the Universal Globe where everyone takes photos. Point of interest where I want to go is the Revenge of the Mummy. So they did some improvements and it was closed for the longest time. So I'm really curious to see what it's like. So one major advantage is traveling solo. You can skip the line and use the single rider lane, which is sick. So I'm probably saving myself almost an hour here. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Perks of the trade, guys. Solo gets the advantage. I was literally screaming like a little girl on that. The ride's more or less the same, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't notice any differences, so I mean, still solid ride. 10 out of 10. This looks like it's nothing. I totally overlooked it the first time I was here. But if we make our way in, it almost seems like we're going into some bathroom. See this gaping hole. And then bam, Harry Potter. Come on guys, look at that. Look how much detail there is in this place. Every single wall is covered in artwork. It's just a nutty place to be. Now we're kind of entering the realm of the Jurassic Park and the King Kong area, which is so sick. Hey guys, I'm so glad we're done with Seuss Landing because it is just way too loony for me. I'm trying to find a fork to crush this brownie, otherwise I'm just gonna eat it like this. At last, here we are at Hogsmeade. We're about to enter the new realm of the Harry Potter world. So here we're gonna have Hogwarts, the castle. We're gonna have butterbeer, which is exactly where I'm going straight for that. Okay, here we go. Let's get our butterbeer. At last, butterbeer. The moment you've been waiting for. Hogwarts itself. Alright guys, it's about 7:30 p.m. I took a quick shower and I'm ready to hit the gym. This is within the condo complex, however it's like a 20-minute walk. So I'm going to take the car there. Let's hope this gym is nice because I'm here for another 9 days. Let's enjoy it guys. Peace. Oh yeah. I'm all squeaky clean and I'm ready to hit the resort's pool facilities. We have a lazy river, a massive pool, and a bunch of slides. Let's go! Look at it, we got the lazy river, we got the water slides, we got the spa over there, and then we've got a warning sign for alligators and snakes, which is wild. So this is a self-serve car wash. I figured it'd be kind of cool to get footage here. We'll remove the front plate just to clean up the bumper as best as we possibly can. The interior is perfectly fine. It's just going to be the exterior. Let's hope it does a good job. Okay, so we didn't have enough change, so we converted our dollar bills into tokens. Let's clean this thing up. We'll pull the front plate off, get all of these bug guts removed, all of the watermarks, all the dust from all those states we drove through. Debugger. Let's go debugger. So let's see what kind of pressure this thing's got. Okay, I think the settings are messed up on that. We're just using a high pressure soap to start. So I came to a really nice VIP like car wash where it's touchless and the car will ride on tracks. The guy measured the front lip He said that we need 5-inch clearance, but I'm at like 4, so I'm taking a little bit of a chance. So we'll see if it works. They also told me to remove the front plate because it may rip it off somehow. So I ended up just removing it anyway. So there goes the front plate, guys. This truck is struggling getting onto the track. Not gonna lie, I'm having some regrets here. It looks like the track hugs the side of the wheels. Hopefully my rims don't get scuffed, I'll be cheesed. Okay, it looks like there's enough space around that track. It's probably got plastic side skirts on it so it doesn't scuff the wheels. Should be okay. Thank you, man. Came all the way from Canada with it. I came all the way from Canada with it.
From Canada?
Yeah.
Reliable, right?
It's reliable, yeah. Is it actually boosted? It's boosted, yeah. Twin turbo. There we are. We arrived.
Hello. Hello.
We don't know this guy.
Not dressed for tourists at all.
Bro, you're gonna be sweating any minute. It's so hot. Look at, I'm already dripping.
Wow. I already feel it.
And here's the other nugget. So this is our place right there, 2nd floor. Oh yeah, you need your stuff. We're about to hit a go-karting place called Orlando Go-Kart Center, and apparently it goes up to 45 miles per hour, which is insane. So I'm really looking forward to it. It looks like a huge track. I'll try to get some footage. I can't get any helmet footage or anything like that, but I'll get to show you guys what it looks like. I'll give you my impressions, of course, and then later this evening we're going to check out Disney Springs and see what they have to offer. It's about a 25-minute drive and we have 15 miles to do. We're going to be hitting the Florida 417 and we'll be making our way closer into downtown Orlando. That's where the go-karting facility is. I'm super hyped about this. Hopefully we get a lap record. I wish I could take this thing on the track. It'd be sick. Needs another wash. Here's the track.
I don't know if I'm ready for this.
Is that what I think it is?
Is he a go-kart driver?
Ayrton Senna? That's a F1 driver. Got Ayrton Senna stitched into the steering wheel. Got the Brazil flagship color all over the kart, which is amazing. More of his signature on here. So cool. Really curious to know if this was actually a kart used by Ayrton Senna. That's freaking hilarious. All right, we're fully registered. We're about to hit the track. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so we have helmet rentals. We're basically ready to go. We're waiting for Fatty. There he is. Oh my God. Everyone stay clear of this man. He's wanted. Here we are, number 103. I'm getting ready to hit the track. I got my boy Abgar behind me. Holy, it's so hot. Brake, we got our gas, we got our motor right here. Got this big old steering wheel. Hopefully I don't lose my stuff. I'm all buckled in. Tires are Bridgestones. Got my sweet kicks. We got 3rd place at 74.8 out of 11 positions. So I assume Alberto is the dude with the red gloves. He was insanely fast. So we'll see if we can improve from the last session, 74.8. Here's round 2. I got a totally different kart, 141. We'll see how she does. I'm gonna try to break into the 69s. We got 73 last time, so there's a lot of room for improvement. Lap of the day was 68, so we'll see if we can get even close to that. Just finished the 2nd lap, way better this time around. Let's see what we got. 71.45, that's a big improvement. We had a crazy crash. Algar got some wicked whiplash. We all spun out. All I saw was carts flying into me. I don't know about you.
I spun out.
Yeah, this guy just spent, he started it. He was crazy.
I wasn't part of it.
Let's check this out. We got another 335i. It looks like we got the M3 wheels on here, which look absolutely beautiful. It's an E92 chassis with a 2-door. How appropriate. Oh, he's got the red interior, which is sick. So cool to see another 335i. I haven't seen one yet, so this is the first one in all of Florida that I've come across. I'm catching a bit of a cold. We're towards the end of the trip, and we're gonna make our first stop at a beach. I decided to go to Cocoa Beach just because they're known for their surfing. It's not too busy there. Going over this huge water body. So beautiful. I love these roads. Here's the Cocoa Beach Pier. I believe this is Pier 69. Make our way through. I'm loving the colors. It's clean. The pier goes up and over the water. We'll see how busy the beach is. We'll set up. We'll get some tanning in. Maybe even we can rent a surfboard and hit some of the waves. We'll see the condition of the surf. It is hot as hell here. I'm sweating buckets. Okay guys, that's a wrap. Farewell to Florida. Welcome the road trip home. Fingers crossed everything goes well. We have about a 19-hour drive. We'll see how that goes. Our first pit stop is going to be gas because we only got 40 kilometers in the tank. So we'll go fill her up. We are making our way down to the I-4 East, and it's about 4:30 a.m. I should be arriving at 11:30 p.m. This evening. Peace out, Orlando.